Right, so I've got a Transit Custom, just going to do some MOT advisory work on it. It was advised on the near side front trackward ends, so we're going to do 2 front trackward ends, 2 Delphis. I think it's all been fixed. I think the door was damaged on this before. Body work's quite good on it. A couple of wee scratches on the front out there, another one there, some down here. Most of them will polish out, to be honest with you. Just needs a good old clean, I think. It's good nick, to be honest with you, for a transit van, to be honest with you. I mean, underneath we're all still getting, can't stop corrosion in Scotland, to be honest with you. Back door's getting a wee bit scratched up, wee polish on them, wee bit of protection, you know, stop if they're getting all scratched. So, what I would recommend with transit vans, especially these high top ones and stuff like that, is you can actually see it on there, there's a spot of rust starting. If it was me, I'd be putting some PPE over that, you know. I know you guys see in motorsports, you'd probably be able to do that for you, you know. I mean, always transit vans, sprinter vans always seem to go in the roof up there. I just wonder if it's stone chips, you know, just getting up and, you know, hitting the roof. So we'll get on the lift. We'll get a wee health check before we do it. The customer said you'd have the noise off it, so it's maybe just a track with the end, which was advised at the MOT, but we'll get it on the lift, we'll get a look at it. If we don't see nothing else, then we'll do the 2 track with ends on it. And then we'll get the alignment as close as we can. And then I do have gauges there, but well, I know well, I'm not any good. They're very, very old, so for peace of mind, I think it's best just go and get it on the laser lineup. Right, so like we said, we're doing a free health check on the van. We know it was advised on one of the trackward ends. I think it was the near side front actually. Just checked it there, so I think the wheel bearings failed on it. So I'll show you what I mean. So we'll get stand camera there. So if we shake the wheel up and down, we'll get play there. And also play side to side. So we'll get the wheel off and we'll have a look so you can see. So we'll pause here. Let's see what happens. Possibility that it's actually the steering arm. I think it might be the steering arm. I might double check that. The wheel bearing for sure. Right, so I've got the transit van. Right, sets of play in that wheel bearing there, so we've unbolted the disc. Right, so we've unbolted the disc. We need to separate the disc, but the disc is pretty much brand new, so we'll get some wood in it so we don't mark the disc, because we need to remove the disc, right, so that we're not fighting it when it's on the floor. Put one bolt back in it. You can see in here there's a ring of bolts round there. Right, so there's about 5 bolts in there. I think the 55 torques, you need a long reach one, and take your time, because if you strip them, you're onto plums, right? So you can see our new bearing there. It's quite a big unit, and you can see, right, that's got the protective bit of it just to protect that ABS sensor. So the ABS sensor's in behind it. So hopefully there'll be no damage done to it when we remove this, because we should be going away from the sensor. So lift it out of there. Comes with a new hub nut. And that's those torque bolts there, and you can see they've got Loctite on them. So we'll get this one off. I'm hoping I can draw it out with the big puller. I'm not sure that'll work. No, that won't work actually. That's not going to work, so we need a different puller. So we'll crack on, we'll get these bolts out and we'll get it stripped off. Everything, ski with, it's better. Right, everything's all cleaned up. to take the new bearing. We're just going to clean this disc up, and then we'll get the new bearing fitted, so you can see how you get it out. Oh, that's rough, that, I tell you. So it's like a 50p piece shape, so it comes out like that. I was advised on this ball joint here for the track rod. I've got a big pair of pliers on it and I can't squeeze it up and down, so when you shake the wheel you can see up here it's moving about, and these look quite new for the age of the van compared to how all the metal looks on the rest of it. No suspension arms, etc. The original still got a sticker. These look quite fresh, but same on the other side. So I wonder if it's had play before and somebody's put 2 steering arms and track rods and boots on it, you know, a long time ago. That have just been, none have lasted well. I mean, compared to all the rest of the metal on it, but you know, look at the arm and look at that, not much on there. So I wonder if they've been done. I wonder if somebody's done them at some point. Yeah, cool. You see it's upside down this side, but you can see there's a line around the disc, I think, and that's been because the bearing moving. It's probably the line in the middle of the pad. There's like a wee groove in the middle of the pad that's to let the dust out. I wonder if that's been running on there, you know, because the play on the bearing. So we're going to clean it all up. Right, so that's the new shiny bearing all on. We just need to put the wheel on. So we've had the ABS sensor disconnected and this wire here disconnected. Thankfully there've been no dramas. Everything's come off okay. My only concern, and it wouldn't matter if it was this van, somebody else's van, a Ford Focus, a Ford Transit long wheelbase, any kind of Ford basically, with those brake pad sensing wires on them. Just no end of grief, eh? So you can bet them for ages. Some of them, this one might be the same, but some of the Transits have got them on every single brake pad, so it can end up being there for ages. You know, mess about till you get the one that's bad, and then you need to change the sensor. So another thing we really need to do is top the wheel, but we'll do that with the weight on the vehicle and on the ground. We'll get the wheel topped up and the hub nut, we'll put the new spot pin in that in it, etc, etc. So aye, good fit so far with this one, thank God. So it had been for an MOT, so but it's just one of the things. So the wheel bearing's probably fine at the time of test, and rather than it being the track rod end, I think it's the steering arm. Certainly do. Solid, so we'll get it done now and we'll get the wheel topped up. So there you go, like I said guys, sometimes a free health check can reveal a lot of secrets. So we had the job priced up for 2 track rod ends, which are there, okay, so however, I don't see the point in doing them, so we'll do the bit that's faulted on it, and then hopefully that'll bit through you out. So like we said, the van had been for its MOT, it was advised on track rod end, and the customer says, it's knocking now, so if you can get it and get the advisories done. I said, well look, I'll do a free health check on it before we do anything, just to make sure, because I could have just fired the 2 track rod ends on, and then went, oh, it's still knocking, but you know, we do our job here. So we've done the free health check, lift it up in the air, check all the lights and all that when it's on the ground, you know, have a walk around it, make sure there's nothing hanging off, put the thing up in the air, had a look at it. It's actually the steering arm rather than the track rod end, but there was a wheel bearing hanging off, so replaced the wheel bearing. So I've replaced the wheel bearing on it there, and it is rough as toast, that thingy, absolutely rough as toast. So there you go, sometimes free health check, you never know what you're going to find, eh?